International Day of Persons with Disabilities or World Day of the Handicapped or World Disability Day, 3rd December. International Day of Persons with Disabilities is an international observance promoted by the United Nations since 1992. It was called International Day of Disabled Persons until 2007. Aim. The aim of Disability Day is to encourage a better understanding of people affected by a disability, together with helping to make people more aware of the rights, dignity, and welfare of disabled people, and to raise awareness about the benefits of integrating disabled persons into every aspect of life, from economic to political to social and cultural. Disability Day is not concerned exclusively with either mental or physical disabilities, but rather encompasses all known disabilities from autism to Down syndrome to multiple sclerosis. Significance. The day has been created so that we can all think about how we can create a society that is inclusive and caters to everyone's needs. 15% of the population across the world has some form of disability. This accounts for about 1 billion people. That's a very high figure. While we have taken some great strides forward in terms of accessibility and ensuring that disabled people can live as great a life as possible, there are still steps that need to be taken. On this day, we have encouraged to think about how we can create a community that is inclusive for everyone. This day also gives us the perfect opportunity to increase our knowledge and awareness about disabilities. There are many different types of disabilities which can fall into 21 categories. This include mental illness, intellectual disabilities, hearing impairments, blindness, and more. It is helpful to learn about these conditions so that we know how we can assist anyone who is living with a disability. When we talk about creating a society that is inclusive, we don't only mean ensuring that disabled people are able to travel with ease and can go to any place they wish, but we also mean accessibility in terms of being able to have access to different jobs. There are a lot of ways that we can all help and play a role in this. History. Everything started in 1976 when the United Nations General Assembly made the decision that 1981 should be the International Year of Disabled Persons. The 5 years between the making of that decision and the actual Year of Disabled Persons were spent contemplating the hardships of the disabled, how the opportunities of the disabled could be equalized, and how to ensure the disabled take part fully in community life, enjoying all of the rights and benefits that non-disabled citizens have. Another issue that was touched on was how world governments could go about preventing disabilities from touching people in the first place. So much of the talk was about the viruses and other illnesses that led to various kinds of disability. The decade between 1983 and 1992 was later proclaimed the United Nations Decade of Disabled Persons, and during that time, all of the concepts previously created became parts of one long process that was implemented in order to improve the lives of disabled persons the world over. Observance. Each year since 1992, a variety of events are held in many countries. The day is used for holding discussions, forums, and campaigns relating to disability, and communities are encouraged to organize meetings, talks, and even performances in their local areas. These can range from hosting a musical to a play, with disabled people being involved in these productions. The overall aim is to show non-disabled people that a person with disability can be a vibrant member of society. As it happens that the entirely healthy are not always quite aware of this fact, which can lead to different kinds of discrimination of varying degrees of severity. The disabled, on the other hand, benefit from such performances by proving to themselves that there are many things they can still do despite their conditions, which can help with their self-esteem and avoid mental issues such as depression from plaguing them. In general, these kinds of events are meant to challenge them and get rid of various stereotypes so that disabled people can enjoy lives free of discrimination and additional hardship. Another thing which we can do on this day is to help someone in need and to donate for them in any concerned welfare society.